Hi Center. This tutorial will introduce you to your Google account and how to log into it. As with all of our tutorials today, your teachers will not troubleshoot issues you might be having with your laptops during this time, but a person from the technology department will be around later to help with any issues. So let's give this a try. Teachers, be ready to pause the video for students to access their Google account. First, students, you need to be logged into your laptops. Then go to google.com. In the upper right-hand corner of Google's window, you will notice a blue Sign In button. To sign in, you'll click that button. The information that you will sign in with is your Center Google account. You may not realize you have a Center Google account, but to access it, you will need your Center email address as your username and your normal Center password as the Google password. This document I have up shows your Center email address is just your Center username with an @center.k12.mo.us behind it. Of course, the password is your typical Center password. That's your CSD, the capital CSD, with your lunch code numbers behind it. So let's go back to Google and try to enter that information. I'm going to try to log in as a student here. And once I get logged in, you can see, or you should be able to see, your Center email address in the upper right-hand corner of our google.com account. Did that work for you? Teachers, you might need to pause the video at this point to let students try to continue to get logged in. Once you're logged into your Google account, you will access your Google Drive by clicking on the little apps icon. It's the icon to the left of your username that looks like a matrix. When you click on it, it will expand more apps. Just select Drive from here. This takes you into your Google Drive account. The very first time you access this, it's going to ask you if you want to set up Google Drive. Let's not do that for now, so just click No Thanks, and it drops you into your Center Google Drive. Now, at this point, the only other thing that I am going to share with you are the different locations in Drive. You can see we ended up at your My Drive. I know that that's the location because in this left-hand navigation column, it's the one that's red. The other location that you're going to need is the Shared with Me location. As some of your teachers might be starting to build G-class folders and sharing folders with you, and the Shared with Me location is where those folders end up at. Your teachers that build those folders for you will direct you on how you can move those around and start to use those in your classroom.